In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks how to set up recurring journals for depreciation. If you record depreciation on a regular schedule, setting up a recurring journal entry in QuickBooks can save you time and help keep your books consistent from month to month. Instead of manually entering the same journal every period, you can create it once and let QuickBooks remember the details for you. To get started, go to the top left of QuickBooks and click Create, or the plus sign, then choose Journal Entry. This opens the journal entry window where you'll build the depreciation entry that will later become your recurring template. On the first line, select your depreciation expense account and enter the amount in the debits column. This is the expense you're recognizing for the period. On the second line, select your accumulated depreciation fixed asset account and enter that same amount in the credits column. Using the same amount on both lines keeps the journal entry balanced, which is exactly what you want before saving it. Once both lines are complete, select Save. After the journal entry has been saved, look toward the bottom of the Saved Journal Entry screen and click Make Recurring. This is the option that turns your one-time entry into a reusable template. Now give the template a clear and recognizable name. Choose something specific that tells you exactly what the recurring journal is for, such as a monthly depreciation entry for a particular asset category. A good template name makes it much easier to identify later, especially if you have multiple recurring transactions in your company file. Next, choose the type of recurring template that you want to use. Scheduled means QuickBooks will automatically create the entry on the dates you define. Reminder means QuickBooks will notify you so you can review and record it manually. Unscheduled simply stores the template so you can use it whenever needed. The right option depends on how much automation you want and whether you prefer to review entries before posting them. After that, set the interval. For depreciation, this is often monthly, and many users choose the last day of the month so the expense aligns with month-end reporting. Then select a start date and define either an end date or a number of occurrences. This is especially useful if you want the recurring journal to match the useful life of the asset in months. When everything looks correct, click Save Template. Your recurring depreciation journal is now set up and ready to help streamline your accounting process in QuickBooks.